Hello there, fun scientists, and welcome! My name is Forensic Frank, and welcome to the very first episode of Forensic Frank Explains. Today, I'm going to be showing you a very cool and fun science experiment. Have you noticed that it's getting quite chilly outside as we're now in the winter season and we're fast approaching the Christmas holidays? Well, I thought it'd be very fun for us to make our very own homemade snow. Oh yes, homemade snow. And this is an experiment that you can do at home. How cool is that? So, I'm going to go through step by step on how to make your very own homemade snow. And you can follow along and you can join in. Pretty cool, right? So, watch closely, because this is what you're going to need for today's experiment. You are going to need 200 grams of bicarbonate of soda, a can of shaving foam. That's shaving foam, not shaving gel. They are different, so make sure it's shaving foam. Going to need some clear glitter. Very nice. You are also going to need a mixing spoon and a mixing bowl. If you don't have a mixing bowl, you can use a tray, but make sure you have something to put this in because this experiment is going to get quite messy. We want to make sure that you're in a good clean space so you don't get mess all over the place. So, if you would like to pause the video and to collect all of those things and then come back and press play and we'll continue. Have you got all of the equipment? Excellent, then let's begin. So, the first thing you need to do is to pour your 200 grams of bicarbonate of soda into the bowl. Remember, the more you use of this, the more snow you are going to make. There we go, just pour all of that into the bowl, just like that. Nice and easy. There we go, that's all in the bowl there. Next, we are going to spray the shaving foam on top of that. Remember, the more you use, the better. It's best to use around half a can of shaving foam to mix it all in. So you're just going to spray it on top of the bicarbonate of soda, just like this. That's it. All of it just like that. Excellent. So that's in the bowl with the bicarbonate of soda. That's the mixture of bicarbonate of soda and shaving foam. Next, we're going to add some of the glitter to the top of the mixture, just like that. The glitter gives it a nice wintry shine to it, like real snow. Then, nice and easy, we take our stirring spoon and mix that all in together. That's it, we just stir it all in. Give it a good stir so it all mixes in. And when you're ready, go ahead and use your hands. This is when we can get really messy. Lots of it just like that. And after a short while, we have our very own snow. How cool is that? Our very own homemade snow. Fantastic work, everyone. Hope your snow looked great. I know mine does. If you want to as well, to make it a little bit more like real snow, put your can of shaving foam in the fridge. If you leave it in there for maybe an hour or so, it would cool it down, so it would give it an extra nice cool feel to make it feel like the real snow. Pretty cool, right? Now it's time to explain the science behind this experiment. When you mix different chemicals, or in this case ingredients, they can do all sorts of things. In this case we have the alkali, which is our bicarbonate of soda. This solid, when mixed with different acids like water, can do all sorts of strange mixtures, perhaps create bubbles, change colour, all sorts like that. But we didn't add water to this one, we added shaving foam. Now shaving foam has a kind of a watery moisture to it, so it's not quite water, but it's not quite a solid either. So mixing with our alkali, it gives it that strange sort of snowy feel, because after all, Snow is just frozen water, pretty much just frozen in the atmosphere as it falls down to the ground. So we give that illusion, and plus, with an added bit of glitter, it makes it shiny, just like real snow. And well done you for making your very own homemade snow, just in time for the winter season and the Christmas holidays. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something new, and I hope your experiment turned out very well. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye!